This lug nut set is tailored for late-model heavy-duty Ford trucks, so it fits factory wheels properly without the guesswork that comes with generic hardware. The single-piece construction avoids the common cap swelling and splitting issues of two-piece designs, making these nuts far easier to remove after repeated heat cycles. High-strength alloy steel with a chrome-coated surface gives a reassuringly solid feel while resisting rust and corrosion in harsh weather and salted road conditions. The included flat seat washers and precise machining help the wheels center accurately and clamp evenly, which is important for smooth highway driving and long-term wheel health. Threads are cut cleanly enough that they start by hand without cross-threading, and they snug down consistently when installed with a manual wrench. With a full set sized correctly for all four corners, this kit is a practical way to refresh aging factory lug nuts and restore a clean, uniform look to the truck's wheels.